Hi there, people. This has been. Oops. Hi there. Yep. I'm going to show you guys how to make a fridge. I'm in creative mode. You can be in basically any mode for this. Doesn't really make any difference. I'm playing in 1.2.4, so I don't know if any feature updates they changed this. Yeah. So you're basically just gonna need a dispenser, block of iron, button, iron door, which you need to scroll down to. Yep. And I believe that is it. I'll take anything out if I need it. Now, make 3 blocks high right here. 3 blocks high right here. Doesn't matter where you are really, unless it's somewhere that you don't want to be to have this. Yep. It's gonna be a fat fridge, retro style. Now, it doesn't really matter how big your fridge is, but I like it too. Or 2 blocks high. And then, if you haven't been watching, which I don't know why you haven't, but, well, anyway. So what I basically just did is put the dispensers there, and now the button is hooked up to both the dispensers and the iron door, so it'll work with both of those. Oh, crud. Okay, gotta get some more apples and some steak, because that's what I like around here. And, yep. I mean, pork chop, steak, blah. I'm hungry. Whoa! Cooked pork chop! Oh yeah. Apple, pork chop, apple, pork chop, apple, pork chop. Yum. Gotta go to sleep. Well, screw that! Okay. Gonna chill to some tunes now. Man.